I love surprises! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you know what you should do really quickly, and it's free? Hit that red button down there, subscribe. Yeah, you know it. And while you're at it, you might as well follow me on all my social medias. And you know what? Those are linked down below also. So today, I have something super exciting. Well, when is it not exciting, right? I have a little surprise package. This time I know who it's from. It's from a surprise family member and friend. She handmade all of this goodness right here. Now I know there's a little bit of a like stain on the box. I did open it just to make sure everything was fine and it wasn't like something flooding and, you know, was bad, but it's all good. But before we get into this unboxing, I actually have something so freaking cute to show you guys. Oh my goodness. So if you've been around for a while, you know, okay, you know Bianca Amores. You've seen it a million times on my channel. You know that that place is full of amazing deals and super cute things. So I went there tonight and I picked this up. Isn't it adorable? And you're probably looking at it like, oh, gold. Wouldn't it be like red or maybe pink? Isn't that so neat? It actually has the two-tone sequins on it, so you can make it like any kind of design you want and make it look so original. I love it. I thought it would be a perfect addition to my beauty room. Let me just give you a big kiss. Mwah! It is like legit a tiny little pillow of lips, and the back is like super soft, kind of velvety. Oh wow, and this was only $7. Thank you, Bianca. Mwah! All right, now we can jump into this box of mysterious goodies. Okay, I see. So I just opened it and this is what I see. So this bottle here was actually what, like leaked a little bit. The lid was open just a tiny little bit, so it was enough to have a bit leak out. So this right here is shampoo. It's so cute and it's all natural. It's by Dark Haven Suds, and there's a little tag that says, growth long and luscious. Yeah, that's what I need. I definitely need some long, luscious, and growth. And this, like I said, smells phenomenal. Ooh, so this is like literally just like a personalized homemade Lush. That's exactly what it reminds me of. All these products are like exactly what Lush carries. Bonus! Thank you, girl! Mwah! So the next thing that I see is a Chakra massage melt, and it's just a white creamy bar with like a texture on the other side. You're not going to be able to see because it is white, but I imagine you can rub it on your body and it kind of melts and moisturizes as you know, rub and massage. So the next two things that I seen are two of the same, just different colors. So these are Woodsy Man and Manly Man, and I imagine these are bars of soap. Ooh. Oh yes, they smell so good, and they are brown and like a fluorescent clear kind of green. I see you added some things for Josh too, which is fantastic. He gonna like that. Oh, we have another bar. This is an exfoliating bar. It is lavender, shea butter, and grapeseed, which is this beautiful kind of orangey corally color. And all of these bars actually say handmade on them, which is adorable. And this one smells so fresh and clean. Ah! And on the back, you can see some of the exfoliators there. Amazing! Then we have another body bar, which is a double, has the soap and a moisturizer on it. And this is called Burst, and it is orange and lemongrass. And let me tell you, oh my gosh, you can so smell the orange, and it is awesome! And this also has like a ripple texture on the front and back, so I guess you could kind of use it as a massage bar if you wanted. And this is the last bar, and it is in vanilla. And I think, if I'm not mistaken by how this looks, this would be a moisturizing bar. And it smells just like baking in the kitchen. And of course, it's got a cute little bow on it. Oh, what's this? Oh my goodness, check this out. Ah! It is a bath oil and bath salts combo, and there's two of them. One is blooming jasmine, and the other one is cherry blossom. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh, they smell fantastic. Oh, girl, these are so beautiful. See, I let everybody know that now I have a bath. Well, actually, it's a jacuzzi tub. And at my old crappy place, like, there was a bathtub, obviously, but it was horrible. It was like the bathtub that your great grandma would have had, okay? It was like green and super small, and like nobody can sit comfortably in a tiny bathtub, right? But now I got a big jacuzzi tub, and now I can take baths with bath bombs and body bars and body bath goodness. Oh gosh, I'm so happy. Like, it's so calming to me being just happy with where I live now, and just being ready for the holidays and the new year, and like, bring it on, honey. I am ready for all new adventures, and oh my gosh, amazing. But this is not an inspirational speech video, so let's get into the last dark haven product. Oh! So I just want to show you only packing chips left. And this right here is a body butter. An all natural, homemade body butter. Those are the best. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so nice. I want to just test the consistency. Like, your girl is never gonna have dry skin at all this winter. Oh my gosh. And you know what's wonderful is, like, I've used some homemade, handmade lotions, body butters before, and it's almost like there's way too much oil in it, like just strictly oil. And you can rub it in and like it doesn't actually get rubbed in, like the oil will just sit on the top of your skin, and it's horrible. It makes your clog makes your clogs pore. It makes your pores clog. Not a good scene. But this, oh my gosh, I rubbed it on my hand and like it rubbed in, but I can feel it moisturized. Oh my gosh, I love this. And it's actually quite big too, like the size of it. So this is gonna last a while, and I'm definitely gonna bring it on my trip home. Oh my gosh, changing like weathers from like one side of Canada to the other side of Canada. Wow, like your skin hates it, and it just like, it gives up right then and there. Like the minute you walk off the plane in the new place, it's like, no, I'm not doing this anymore. No, I'm going on vacation. So that is definitely gonna help my skin stay my friend. Well guys, that brings an end to the Surprise Fam Mystery Mail. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know which product I should try first. I'm actually pretty excited to try the shampoo though, because my hair is like unmanageable but nice. I don't even really know how to explain it, and I've never actually used an all-natural homemade shampoo before, so I'm really excited to try that out. If you haven't already, please wish a girl Merry Christmas and hit that subscribe button. And you don't want to miss any of my holiday videos, so why not? It's free. Join the fam. And you might as well stay up to date on everything else. So follow me on all my socials. Those are also linked down below. Wow, I really make that description box a pretty cool place, eh? Oh no, I can feel myself getting corny. I hope you're having a wonderful day or evening. I don't know when you're watching this. I will see all of you, yeah, you, in my next video. Mwah!